guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full wig transformation on this wig that I'm wearing right now. I don't know where the hair is from, but I know that it's from AliExpress. So I'm going to be taking it from this frizzy, bushy, just freaking difficult to manage hair to this sleek, straight, and just more toned down color. So there was a couple of things wrong with the hair before I started filming. First of all, it was super bushy, super tangled, and it was really thin. So I added some hair to it and I also bleached it again. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I also toned down some of the harsher, brassier tones in it. And I actually showed you guys two ways that you could wear this hair. So the first way I'm going to be showing you guys is how you could wear it curly if you don't want to use heat on your hair. This is a really nice heat-free way to get like that wavy water wave vibe. And the second way is of course sleek and straight, just like this, which I'm also going to be showing you guys. So I'm going to try and have all the products that I'm using in the description box down below. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads from me. So without further ado, let's get right into fixing this hair. So here's a before shot of the wig. As y'all can see, it's very yellow and it's also super thin. So I'm going to be adding bundles to it. I'm also going to tone the hair down to kind of get rid of that orange yellow vibe. These leftover tracks that I had, I tried bleaching them the first time, but they didn't come out light enough, so I'm bleaching them again. These are the products that I'm going to be using to bleach the hair. This is the BW2 bleach, and then I'm using the Clairol 40 volume developer, both which you can get at a beauty supply. And then I'm just using this random dye brush and a little plastic cup to mix my bleach in. And so I just laid them both out over aluminum foil in my bathroom. I used to bleach hair in my room for some reason, I don't know why, but I just laid it out over foil, and then I'm just mixing my powder bleach and my developer together. So the way that I'm applying the bleach is that I'm kind of like painting it over one side. I wanted the hair to be like that, I guess like a dirty blonde, and I wanted to kind of like fade out into a balayage instead of having like a super stark line where it goes from black to blonde. So I'm not going to flip the hair over and bleach the other side, but you would need to do that if you wanted your hair to be lighter, if you wanted it all to be one color. But I'm going for like a balayage gradient effect, so I'm not applying it evenly. I want some parts to be darker than the other. So yeah, put some aluminum foil over it because you know you always have to use aluminum foil when you're bleaching hair. And I like folded it into, I don't know, like an envelope or something, and I let that sit for I think 10 minutes before I washed it out. I'm just adding some more bleach to the other one because I didn't think I put that much on it, but yeah. So now we're moving on to toning the hair. So I took the freshly bleached tracks, like the loose tracks, and I put them in the sink. And then I also added like the actual wig that I'm going to be adding them to the sink as well, because neither of them had ever been toned before. So I'm just rinsing out the bleach, and I'm going in with the Shimmer Lights shampoo. Y'all know the purple shampoo that everybody uses to tone their hair. And I'm going in with a really generous amount because this hair was orange, girl, and it was not cute. But I'm just like saturating the hair, the tracks and the wig in the purple shampoo, and then I let that sit for a little while before I rinse it out. So after 15 minutes, I rinsed the purple shampoo out of the tracks and the wig, and then I just conditioned them with this Suave conditioner. It's my favorite conditioner, y'all. It's so good. It's like $2, but I saturated the hair in that. I let that sit for a little while, and then I detangled it. Then off camera, I sewed the tracks into the wig. Alright, so onto the Heatless Wave. So when I got done washing the hair, it was still so tangled that I couldn't even blow dry it all at once, you guys. I had to take like little ass sections to blow dry the hair. So I just applied some detangler, brushed it through, and then I applied this really good smelling avocado oil serum thing, and then I just blow dried it with the comb attachment. Even with the comb attachment, y'all can see that I'm struggling. This hair is so bad. I don't even know where it came from, but it's literally the worst hair ever. Like, I have synthetic hair that doesn't tangle as much as this one does. Here's a side by side of what the hair looks like just straight out the wash, like no product, nothing, versus what it looks like when it's about 50% dry. I didn't blow dry the hair until it was fully dry because I still wanted it to be damp so that I could braid it and it would hold the curls. So I just split my hair in half, parted down the middle, and then I French braided both sides of my hair. After letting the wig dry overnight, I decided I wanted to actually like lay my lace down. So I'm just using the Got to Be Glue, the yellow gel, and I'm using the back of a rat tail comb to apply it in front of my hairline. Don't apply gel to your actual hairline because you're gonna be mad when you take that wig off and you don't have any edges. So I'm just blow drying it on cool air, and then I'm attaching the lace, I'm sticking the lace on top of where I placed the glue. So then I'm using some more Got to Be Glued on a toothbrush to kind of like lay my baby hairs down, and then I'm gonna tie a scarf on it so it can set while I take out these braids. You guys, I loved this hair wavy. Like when I say I loved it, I think it's literally the best hairstyle I've ever done. It was so cute. It was still a little damp, so it gave you that like wet look type of vibe. And I wore it for like 2 days before I went outside when it was raining, and then it was super humid and the hair frizzed right back up into this hot ass mess, like freaking ginormous. When I brushed it out, it was so nappy all over again. It was like my heart went to nothing. So I straightened it this time. I just sectioned my hair off and then, you know, ran over it with a flat iron. I didn't add any more oil or any more hair product because I already put so much oil and detangler in it the first time around. So the trick of getting frizzy hair like this really straight is that I go over it slowly. Don't just like yank the flat iron through it because that's not going to do nothing for you. It's still going to be frizzy and it's not going to last. So I'm just taking, again, really small sections, detangling them, and then straightening them. Here's a side-by-side comparison of what the hair looks like freshly straightened versus what it looks like when I just brush it out. So I had a little bald spot on one side of the wig, so I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and tapping that over the lace so that it can be, I guess, less bald looking. I didn't see it when I had my hair in the middle part, but on the side part it was kind of obvious. And then I'm just going to define my part with some LA Girl Pro concealer and obviously blend that out. I needed a lot of Got to Be Glued and a lot of mousse and a lot of hairspray to like get the flyaways to lay down really sleek and smooth. But once they did, it looked so good, girl. But I did have to choke on that hairspray a little bit. Here's what she looks like straight. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love it. And you guys can also see that the color isn't as brassy as it was before. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It's a lot smoother, a lot sleeker. I'll insert a clip from the back, and it's a lot less orange. Like it's still definitely like a brown color, but it's not so orange as it was before. And at the end of the day, it's still never going to be perfect hair. This is literally the worst hair ever. It's never going to be super sleek, super smooth like some higher quality hair, but it does look a hell of a lot better than it did when I started this video. Y'all better give me my props and thumbs up this video because this was hard to achieve, okay? Alright guys, that is it for this video. Like I said, thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!